Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tholana token. Ticker symbol is Thol. And I guess this token is a meme token on the Solana blockchain that is supposed to be how Mike Tyson talks. And I guess it is Mike Tyson pronouncing Solana, which is Tholana. And it almost has 10,000 holders already, so there's 9,814 holders on this token, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 28th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Tholana token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I should talk like Mike Tyson through this whole video, but I'm not going to do that. But this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, it's on the Solana blockchain, obviously. 9,814 holders. You could find this token listed on CoinGecko. Ticker symbol is THOL. Tholana is the name of the token. 7 decimal places on this token. Market cap right now is a little bit over $1.21 million. Current supply, looks like they started out at 1 trillion, but right now the token supply is 999,717,970,430 tokens. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting February 28th at 8 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Tholana, and then simply just buy the token. Now keep in mind, the actual ticker symbol is Thol, T-H-O-L, but on Mexc they have the ticker symbol listed as Tholana. I'm not sure why, but that's the way it is. Now on their Telegram, they have a Telegram at Tholana hashtag that has 1,799 subscribers, and they call that the Tholana Boxing Ring on Telegram. You could join that. Their Twitter, I'm going to put up the address to their Twitter right here. Thendit at Tholana Soul. So they have 3,254 Twitter followers. They have a link to their Telegram there. They just joined in December 2023 and has a link to their webpage, tholana.net, right there as well. And so basically, they're doing very well, almost 10,000 holders, and their Twitter just joined in December. That's pretty good. So if you go to their webpage too, you can find roadmap, tokenomics. You can find a white paper. It says click here for a white paper. So they have a roadmap right off the bat here. Let's go over some of the roadmap here. If it's jokes, I'm going to skip over a lot of it just so we get some good info here. But it says Q1 2024, inscribe 100 one-to-ones on Solana blockchain as a free mint to the Thol holders. So they did that right off the bat. Release weekly animated shorts featuring Mike Tyson. Horoscopes, Mike Tyson nutritional program, and Mike Tyson Financial Times. So this is, I don't know if this is actually like a 4chan meme or a Matt Fury meme or where this meme comes from, but yeah, Mike Tyson. So release first levels of Mike Tyson Punch-Out. So they're going to come out with a meme game here. released short-form content including crypto news, parody celebrity, and product endorsements, graffiti contests in major metropolitan hubs. Then we got Q3, integrate Twitch with MTPO and hold Twitch streamers live circuit events every Saturday. Interesting. So they're going to have prizes, merch, NFT prizes. So check out their Twitch when that goes live. Regular release MTPO levels with more boss battles featuring CZ, SPF, and used car. Check out my used car video on that token that I did a while back. Regular release of Mike Tython programs continue after that. And so on and so forth. So it says this token was born December 29th, 2023. So very brand new project. It says we are a Solana meme coin that is rooted in the human meme of Mike. So our ethos is simple. If a meme coin isn't funny, it's a failure. Second, a meme coin without a rabid community has no future. Third, a project composed of moon boys whose sole goal is short-term gains is guaranteed to fail. A meme project that prioritizes profits over laughter is upside down. The most important property a meme coin possesses is its ability to consistently make people die laughing. Craft an undeniable, funny, memetic universe every day, and the chart takes care of itself. It's literally in our name. A meme coin that isn't funny is a DeFi coin without staking. Interesting. Investing in such a DeFi coin is the same as a joyless meme coin. Don't mistake us. We take our duty very seriously. If we lose sight of what makes us laugh in favor of what makes us rich, we lose the very thing that distinguishes us from all of the rest. So there's a lot of good quotes in here. I don't know if they created these quotes themselves, but the laughter gives us true enduring utility. It anchors the community by building bonds of mutual respect. Everyone can buy, lottery tickets. But in this project, we recognize and do everything in our power to maximally enrich holders. But we never lose sight of the lulls while doing it. So they go over a big story about all that type of stuff. You can check it all out, Tholana.net. So they're coming out with games, NFTs. They got the meme utility going. They got a decent amount of holders so far, and they are getting this brand new big central exchange listing starting tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.